Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. Down, 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 down,
Je passe en premier ou tu passes en premier? Non, je passe en premier. Go, go.
I'm a roll more dope and get dope. That's all I know. See the grind start slow, now it flow. I hit my glow. Step on these niggas and these hoes. I keep it cold.
No,
so that ain't the light that I know. That ain't a joke. The way I'm trapping, you would think I suck coke. I'm probably don't pay what you owe, and if it weren't for these grands, I would be broke. I'm on the road. Put your bitch in that land, hitting the code. For the fam, I gotta get me your bag. Feed the folks my name. Burning sour and haze, not to the road. Me and Tony Tone can't really speak over the phone, cause the line probably tough. Flick the ash and blow the smoke. White girl doing blow my fuck around and get me. I keep it G and let my whole team eat. My old man's trying to finesse on me.
C'est lui à droite ou pas?
That's the devil trying to flex on me.
1, 2, 3.
In the streets, put that stress on me.
Passe, à gauche, la mienne.
I gotta get it real. Dedicated to that. I'm in the field, real shit, and I'm just letting it spill. Fuck how you feel, my niggas riding because of the thrill. Your rapper running in my wheel, shorty poppin' pussy like it's a pill. I did these niggas try to put me, then I'm sealing the deal. I keep them customers coming back, gas having me chill. Cold sweats, no threat, I hit the scene in both flex. I'm trapping hard, and my bitch ain't got no flaws. Free the homies, free my dog. I need a rollie for my arm. Piece on my chain just like a charm. And you can tell me that ain't hard. Niggas out selling hard. Don't bring that drama to my yard. Lil, I'm trapping hard. And my bitch ain't got no flaws. Free the homies, free my dog. I need a rollie for my arm. Piece on my chain, go beat the I should've bought a jet right with spitter. You should've never passed the blunt if you knew it ain't killer. Lil nigga, I'm the one that's supporting your dealer. And this is job because he ain't coming back with the skriller. I move zippers, pound quarters, cause it's a mixture. I'm staying blunted up. Niggas talking money, never running, nothing fuckers up. Moving through these streets, I just be cutting up. She bust a buzz for a nigga, all for the purple stuff. I heard him bluff, I was hitting they nerves. Knock a nigga off his lane, now he riding the curve. I could give you niggas games if y'all really want to learn. These bitches chirping out my name, I got breath for them birds. I'm trapping hard.
Allez, va-t'en. Médic.
And my bitch ain't got no flaws.
Au moins 5.
Free the homies, free my dog. I need a rolling for my arm. Piece on my chain just like a charm. And you can tell me that ain't hard. Niggas out selling hard. Don't bring that drama to my yard. Lil, I'm trapping hard. And my bitch ain't got no flaws. Free the homies, free my dog. I need a rollie for my arm. Piece on my chain, go beat the charm. I'm a roll more dope, get dope. That's all I know. See the grind start slow, now we flow. I hit my glow. Niggas in these hoes, I keep the cars. Hitting the coast, for the film I gotta get me your bag and feed the folks my image. Burning sour and haze, not to the road. Me and Tony Tone can't really speak over.
Merci. Oh, elle est belle. Oh, elle est belle.
Non.
Non. Grenade.
My old man try finesse on me. That's the devil trying flex on me. Man, these streets put that stress on me. But that's on G, I gotta get it for real. I keep a trail dedicated to that almighty deal. I'm in the field, real shit, and I'm just letting it spill. Fuck how you feel, my niggas riding just because of the thrill. Yo, grab the red, they in my wheel. Shorty poppin', push it like it's a pill. I did them niggas try to put me, then I'm sealing the deal. I keep them custies coming back, gas having me chill. Cushion sweats, no threat, I hit the scene in both flicks. I'm trapping hard. And my bitch ain't got no flaws.
Merci.
Non. Si.
Ouais.
And my bitch ain't got no flaws. Free the homies, free my dog. I need a rollie for my arm. Piece on my chain just like a charm.
Faut dire civil si vous êtes civil, les gars, juste.
Comment?
Quand vous êtes civil, faut dire civil. En fait, vous avez pas le droit de dire le nom de l'équipe adverse.
Ah, ok, pour mon bac.
C'est pas grave, c'est pas grave. Ouais.
C'est la question.
C'est bon, t'inquiète.
Excuse-moi.
Camo, camo.
À gauche.
Hop, oh, bien joué.
Should've never passed the blunt if you knew it ain't killer. Lil nigga, I'm the one that's supporting your dealer. This is sorry, pussy gang, come back with the thriller. I'm moving zippers, pounds, quarters, cause it's a mixture. I'm staying blunted up. Niggas talking money, never running up. The fuck is up? Moving through these streets, I just be cutting up. She bustin' buzz for a nigga, all for the purple stuff. I heard them bluff, I was hitting they nerve. Moving through these streets, I just be cutting up. She bust a buzz for a nigga, all for the purple stuff. I heard him bluff, I was hitting they nerve. Knock a nigga off his lane, now he riding the curve. I could give you niggas games if I really want learn. These bitches chirping on my name, I got breath for them birds. I'm trapping hard.
Ça c'est à droite, il en reste pas.
And my bitch ain't got no flaws. Free the homies, free my dog. I need a rollie for my arm. Piece on my chain just like a charm. And you can tell me that ain't hard. Niggas out here selling hard. Don't bring that drama to my yard. Don't bring the Lil, I'm trapping hard.
Bien joué.
Bien joué.
Bien joué à vous.
Franchement là, j'ai rien compris.
Surveillez vos arrières toujours, les gars.
Bring that drama to my yard. Don't bring the Lil, I'm trapping hard. And my bitch ain't got no flaws. Free the homies, free my dog. I need a rollie for my arm. Piece on my chain, go peep the charm.
Y'a un médic là? Pour la réplique, je sais pas comment.
Ah, pour la réplique, je peux?
Il peut réparer ma réplique? Donc j'ai que mon père.
Out qui passe. Fais gaffe derrière toi.
Et si je me fais out, que je suis réanimé, je reprends tout.
Ouais.
Médic! Ça pique un peu. Moi je récupère tout.
Bring that drama to my yard. Don't bring the Lil, I'm trapping hard. And my bitch ain't got no flaws. Free the homies, free my dog.